Okay, we got some pineapple juice, orange juice. I just got this tea to try. We got some punch, some milk. This just drinks up there. Chocolate milk, pizza from last night, eggs, cherry tomatoes, lettuce, Gatorade, more beer, pork chops, root beer, lettuce, cucumbers, and carrots. Right here is cheese, lunch meat, tortillas, more cheese that I just bought. Up here, butter, cucumber, onion, yogurt, Jello, cream cheese, sour cream, cottage cheese, chocolate milk, apple juices, these, and some cinnamon rolls, and just some dressing and stuff. That's what's in my refrigerator. Okay, now what's in the freezer? I just cleaned it out, but you can't tell. But we have Go-Gurts. We have TV dinners, Texas toast, tater tots, broccoli, hamburgers, hot dogs, toaster strudels. We have pork chops, bacon, pork sirloin. What else we got back there? More pork chops and stuff. Chicken. Then we have some, not for you, hamburger meat. Those are for the boys. Hamburger meat. And we have bacon, because I'm going to do something with them. Sausage. Then these are all frozen fruits. We have pineapples, strawberries, mangoes, blueberries, strawberries, sausage, and everything. We have, okay, so that's what's in my refrigerator. And then this is what's in the cabinets. There's cereal up there, spaghetti noodles and stuff. I'm going to make taco salad this week too. Oils, probably a cake mix. Yeah.
Puppies?
This is just chips, sugar, coffee, and stuff in there. Then, in this cabinet is all the canned foods. I just cleaned this out too, you can't tell, but we have canned foods way back there, everywhere. And then more canned foods, our spices and stuff, Oreos and stuff. Okay, there's my Pepsi because I love Pepsi. And then this is our last cabinet. I just had to stuff things in there too, like this, because my daughter likes mashed potatoes. I got chips and everything are in there. And that's our cabinets. That's what we have to eat. And a few things down there. Alright, everybody have a wonderful day. Please stop.